Hey, what's going on, City Slicker? Jesus, my hat is dirty. I haven't been able to go back up and get my clothes and stuff. I'm trying to do that today or tomorrow. I gotta bring my van. I'm gonna drop it off at my boy's house. I can't drive. The snow is just messing up the bottom of the Prius, ripping all the plastic off. I was like, Jesus, because everybody's throwing the snow in the middle of the street, and it's pretty high in the middle, and the Prius is low. It's just tearing everything up. Jesus. Burnside. Word. Wow, I remember the last time I was on a train. I didn't even know how much it cost. The next stop is 176th Street. I gotta go to Brooklyn. Clear of the closing doors, please. I ain't feel like driving. Yo, it's snow. I didn't put on my boots. Jesus. Got on a pair of Air Max on. Oh man, I'm mad at everybody with boots on. Everybody got boots. Oh man. Jesus. Oh man, when I popped the car, when I stepped out the car, oh, straight into a puddle of ice. Whoa, I'm talking water and ice. Oh, my toes are frozen. Jesus. Oh man, I got all kind of boots. And when I need them, well, I left. That's why. I'll tell you about that later. But yeah, guys, I gotta go to Manhattan and I gotta go to Brooklyn. So, all the streets are not clean. It's a little difficult getting around. You're trying to go down a block, somebody's stuck in the middle of the street. Now you gotta wait till they shovel the car out. It's just too much. So I said, let me take the train. And yeah. You know, I love snow. I'm a New Yorker, but I don't like the part of I have to dig my car out. Now I gotta go dig out the van. I know that's gonna be bad. Jesus, that's gonna be bad. But the van could get out. You know, it's an 8-cylinder. The van got a big motor, so that gets out a little faster than the Prius. The only thing about the van is they got a spoiler on it, a spoiler kit. So on the sides it's pretty low. And the front is high, but the sides is pretty low. So I gotta, right now it's turning into ice. So I know I'm gonna have a problem. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to get a chisel. Shout out to Ori Dominicana. Yeah. Jesus. I didn't want to take the train with this pandemic, man. Oh, man. But I got to. Yeah. I ain't been on a train, I don't know. About 2 years. Stand clear of the closing doors. I always drive, but with this snow, I got lucky to find a parking by my uncle's house. Yeah. And I'm going to Baltimore also. Go visit my daughter and my grandkids. Just for a few days. Then I'm coming back. Where my car was at, no exaggeration, it was like 3 feet of snow. 170th. Oh, this my stop. Shazam 170. My high school is here. Taft. Teaching animals for tomorrow. Wait, 170. I had to get off right here in Jerome and walk to Webster. It's like a mile, man. Is it? From Jerome, Grand Concourse. No, it's not that far. Half a mile.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Forgot how to get a Metro card. So yeah, guys, tell me how was your experience with the snow? Yeah, like I said, at night when it started snowing, I cleaned around the car. In the morning, it looked like I ain't do nothing. I cleaned it again. In the afternoon, it looked like I ain't do nothing. I had to clean. I was like, oh, come on, man. What? The van? I know the van is like, oh my God. That thing gotta have so much snow on it. Oh, man. Here we are. Oh, we just passed, yeah, that was on 7 Oh, I'm gonna lose y'all after Yankee Stadium. No, I'm talking about, I'm gonna lose y'all. Like if I was on the phone, no. Yeah, guys, tell me, how was your experience with the snowstorm? Does this snowstorm make you want to move to Florida? Yeah, I love the snow, but when you have to clean your car out, and then, if you have your own parking, it's one thing. But if you gotta clean out a parking space, it take you 3 hours to clean it so you can get your car out. And you get back, somebody else is in it. It's like you're not gonna find another spot. Matter of fact, a lot of people haven't moved their cars for like 2 or 3 days, yeah. And it's still snowing now. It's today Monday. It's still snowing. What's going on? Oh yeah. It's still snowing. Oh, I didn't vlog it, but the other day, after I left my uncle's house, the next day, the engine was vibrating, and I'm like, what is that? The coils? It was the spark plugs. I had to get the spark plugs changed. I had to give it a tune-up. Now, I told him I heard a noise, and that's weird. He checked it. It's the axle. So I'm gonna see if I do that in the morning. The day I was there, it was pretty late. So he told me to come back the next day, and then it started snowing, and I haven't really been moving. I've been staying put. But now, that axle, it sounds.
This is 161st Street, Yankee
Yankee Stadium right there.
Transfer to the EX6 Select Bus Service.
So yeah, that actually sounds nasty. And I don't like to drive cars with noises. It's like driving paranoid. Every time I turn the wheel to the left, it's on the left wheel. Every time I turn it to the right, you hear like a clack, 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 clack. Jesus. Oh man.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So gotta go get that done. And what else? Yeah, go get the axle done. In the van, I gotta get the lights fixed. I told you, and then I ate the thing for the lights. The high beams work, but not the regular lights. And I might have to give Nana away because I have to go somewhere, and where I'm going, they don't accept dogs. I don't want to give her away, but all the places that I find, they don't accept animals. But I don't want to give Nana, I don't want to give her up. You know, she's family. But maybe I could get somebody to babysit her for a few days. But yeah, I don't want to give her away, man. Wait, oh man, I'm tired. I ain't been around this many people in a long time in a close circumference. You know, I wish they boost up the heat. I'd rather sweat, but if somebody has it, I heard that the new police cars, once people get in the police car, the police press a button and it turns their car to 115 degrees to kill the virus. We're all 10 minutes, I gotta end this vlog. So the police, when they get people in the back of the police car, they hit a button and it goes straight to 115 degrees, which is to kill the virus. So if you with your friends or whatever, and you don't know if your friend is coughing or something, but your friend is coughing, you gotta go to the back seat. You're lucky you letting him stay in your car. I told y'all can't cough for 2020 or 2021. Nah, no coughing. You gotta cough by yourself when you're in the bathroom taking a shower. You can't even cough around your family members. Come out the bathroom, they start looking at you funny. 149. Well, I gotta catch the 5. Oh man, I feel like I forgot how to travel. I gotta take the 5. Jesus. I don't know, I'm acting lazy. I'm usually eating a sandwich on the highway. Lost. 149th. I'm in my hood. Why am I so lost? Wait, this is the exit. Jesus. Oh, it's downstairs. Mickey. Scooby. Oh, man. You see? Forgot. And I grew up here. But y'all know I got a bad memory. But still. I should have known the prize was downstairs. Oh, man. All right, guys, I got to stop this vlog. We're at 13 minutes. Need a sandwich. Nah. All right, guys, tell me what your experience through the snowstorm. What's this? Police academy. Wait, downtown. Uptown. No, go this way. All right, guys, love you. See you in a little while. Let me know what y'all went through in the snowstorm. And also, has anybody heard anything about the stimulus? I don't know. I haven't heard anything. Están los locos. See, that's how it sounds in Rikers Island, in the Bronx side. Well, they knocked it down, but Rikers Island, yo, a lot of people got issues. Matter of fact, I saw it on the news, right here where I'm at, 149th, a guy was beating on his 2 kids. He punched them in the face. I was like, whoa. He had 2 kids. He punched one, punched the other one. I was like, damn. All right, guys. Love you. See you in a little while. I got some shout outs to give. Green light, Bobby, you heard? Shazam. Let me know what y'all went through with the snowstorm. Did you have to shovel your car? Some people got to stay home. You can't use your car. But in the city, we got the subways. But the underground subways was working. The subways outside wasn't working. It was shut down. All right. Let me get up out of here. Y'all slow me down. Go get your life together.